Hi, I'm Dr. Saveen Kapasi. I'm the founder of Anita Consulting and Ropen Health Tech. We work primarily in creating health ecosystems with um, governments in around 18 countries, as well as with health technology companies and provider networks and insurances. So I think one thing that we fail to understand is healthcare is about not just treating people, but about keeping them healthy. So diagnostics is the innovation that's not as funded. So in today's scenario, less than 12% of investments in technology in healthcare actually goes into field level diagnostic innovations. And that is the technology, when scaled up, can fundamentally change the way we look at disease occurrence and treatment of disease early on. So that requires a lot more attention than we are giving it today, not just by investors and technologists, but also by governments and health provider systems. So let's look at this in a broken way, or rather in two ways. One is, um, need assessment. When we we talk about it in terms of need assessment. When we are solving a need, when we understand the need in detail of what really is going wrong, and when we use or develop technology solutions to solve those needs, those are the innovations that are most important. Unfortunately, so today we are also in a day and age where innovation is happening for the love of technology, which is great. But unfortunately, sometimes we develop the solution first and then go looking for what to solve with it. And that is the dichotomy that we have to solve for. We need to start with understanding the problem in detail and actually unpacking it and then developing solutions. So that's why. Now, from a caution of technology, the healthcare ecosystem is not adopting diagnostic technology faster. And I think that is where we can develop technology and adopt it much faster than we are doing these days. And when it comes to therapies and curative systems, we are going very fast. But that is where we need to have a little more caution. Because, yes, today AI and other technologies are moving very fast, but we haven't really solved for who is answerable if something goes wrong. So we need to be very, very careful before we start assigning random decision ideas to life patients whose life can fundamentally shift because of it. So those are my two cents.
And finally, a line about today's at the Healthcare Summit and one line about Financial Express.
So today's summit was very well planned and designed. I always like when, a small group of stakeholders come together who have not only the say, but the intention to make a difference in patient outcomes. And that is what this summit has actually enabled. So it's fundamentally well planned and executed with perfection. FE as a platform has done wonderfully well in representing these ecosystems. So kudos to you, Vex.